Alright guys, welcome, another trading day, Thursday, and we are here today to talk about the ADP. Yesterday we talked about the RBNZ, and it was quite interesting how the New Zealand dollar evolved during the day yesterday, and then today we have, yesterday we had the ADP as well, and then tomorrow, we're going to have the NFP on Friday. If you don't know, if you're new to trading, the NFP is the Non-Farm Payroll, is where it's one of the biggest, well, it is the biggest news that has the highest impact on the market every month, every first Friday of every month. So this first Friday would be this tomorrow, and then we're going to have next month Friday, and then next month Friday, and then goes like that. So how does the NFP work? Basically, it has release usually between midnight to 11 o'clock on Sydney time, Australia time. And then, you know, we have the consensus that the economists are forecasting, and then we have the actual. So that's what we're going to talk today. If you don't know me, my name is Luca Santos. I'm the technical market analyst here at ACY Securities. So please guys, give us a thumbs up already on this video, subscribe to the channel. I'm seeing a lot of people, you know, sharing those videos, commenting on my videos as well. This is the engagement we want. This is engagement that I feel happy and I feel, you know, proudly to come here every day and make those good videos and a good production for you guys, and for free, you know, webinars for free, all of those free educations. So this is the most, you know, content that you may have, the value that you may have for free here is just out of mine. Anyways, let's have a look on the calendar. All right, so we're gonna have the NFP tomorrow, as I mentioned, on Friday, and the time that the NFP will come will be, let me check, I don't want to get it wrong. All right, so we're going to have at 11:30 tomorrow the unemployment rate. As well, we're going to have the private non-farm payrolls at 11:30, and then we're going to have the ADP. We had the ADP yesterday, and we're going to have as well at 11:30 the average hourly earnings. All right, so the private non-farm payroll for September, the consensus is at 160,000, right? What do I think? I'm pretty optimistic, to be honest, on the US dollar. I guess we can expect around 119,000, okay? Why do I think that? Well, if we look at the jolts from Wednesday, so yesterday, not yesterday, it was Tuesday night actually on Sydney time. But if we look at that, we had much more jobs opening, you know, much more opportunity for people to work on US than expected. So if we already had a higher number on there, it's most probably that we're going to have a higher than expected, at least higher than expected. I may be wrong on the 190,000, but we may have higher than expected of 160K. So what does that mean for the US dollar is that my target on the 108 can be very close to hit. All right. So if we look on my webinars, I've been talking to everyone about the 108 on the US dollar index. And we are pretty close. We are at 107.3, 107.4, around that. And there's only another 700 points before we grab the 108. That would be the news that would fulfill this movement towards the 108. So if something happens positively for the NFP, definitely I would continue to long the US dollar. All right. If it doesn't come as, you know, bullish I'm expecting to be, then I would have to redo my macro analysis for the last quarter of this year that we're just starting. All right, so keep tuned on these news, guys. This is a very important news for the month ahead, as well for the quarter ahead, because it will define a lot of things in the market. So share this video with your friend that it's looking to trade Euro dollar or USD CAD or USD JPY. and if she or he likes to have a bit of a macroeconomics understanding on what's happening around the globe, Shell or Channel, we have very valuable information here. All right, so I see you next week.